Hey y'all, welcome back to Square County Homestead. Glad you made it back here with us. I know it's been a while. 2 months ago I was in the hospital. We missed that chicken sale. Last month we had a wedding. I mean, really, who plans a wedding on a chicken auction day? But anyways, we missed that one, so now we're back. So let's go on to the auction.
Look at the ears on that dude. Your ring-neck pheasant eggs, okay? Bit of it on in, 12 egg, got a little money maker right there. 12 egg, get 12 egg, get 10, $10, 10, got a get 10, get 5, 19, $20, 29, 22, and 5, 25, get 25, 25, 27, and 27, get a get 27, and get 27, sold at $25, your Americana eggs. Is it about a dozen? About a dozen, bit on in, $10 in, get 10, $10, 10, got a get 9, you say $9, $9, got a get 9, so $8, down the middle on the right. Ring neck pheasant chicks, 3 times the money, bit on in, 7, get $7, 7, did you say 7, maybe 7, get 7, get $5, $5, 5, now 6, $8, get 6, $6 being, $6, now 7, get $7, 8, $8, $8, $9, but $9, get $9, get 10, $10, 10, now 11, get $11, get 11, get $12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, get 17, $17, 17, so it's $16 times 3 on 75 of our number. Like I said, we're going to hand you these chicks and they're yours, okay? Just got a baby in there on the speckled Sussex. Beautiful breed. They're mahogany, got the speckles on them. About a dozen. Beat it on in. 12 and 8. Get it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, get 12 and 8, get it, 12 and 10, get it, 12, get 12, get 12 it. 12 out of it, 10, get it, get 5, get 12. So $11, number 20 to bid. Bob Brummer egg, hatching egg. They're a pretty breed, okay? About a dozen, bit of it on the end, 10 out of it, got it, sold at $3, number a dozen of your Rhode Island red hatchet egg. Bit of it on the end, 12 and egg, got it, get 12 and get 12. So $11. Bit of it on the peacock egg, bit of it on the end, got it, get $25 meat. 25, got it, 21, got it, get 21. Sold at $20. This is the female, okay? Just got the female. Bit of it on her, get $100 bid, get $100 bid, $100 bid, anybody get $50. $50 bid, but I got $50. The ears on that dude. Number 10 got it. For the ones that had never been, there's a tag on each cage, just like that one right there. That's lot number 1, and there's 2 in there, okay? So whatever you bid, it's going to be 2 times the money. If you bid $25, it's going to be $225 times 2, okay? 2 ducks, 2 times the money. $15, $15, so $8 times 2 on 1 team. $15, $15 $11. So the $10. This is a trio of your Japs. You talking about picture perfect, you are. There's an egg and there's a piece of another. There's 2 eggs in the basket. 2 hens and a rooster, 3 times the money, $25. $25, a pretty breed of chicken right there. Can throw that, see that rooster got his tail feathers thrown over his head. $25 bid, 25 times 3, now 25, get 25, 32, get 32 and a half. So with $30 times 2 on 5. These are your golden sea bright. Got a hen and a rooster in each one of them. 2 times the money, $25 bid, 25, get 25, sold at $10, number 19. This is your silver duck wings, okay? A hen and a rooster, 2 times the money, $25 bid. 25, get $14 bid, 14. So the $13 on a trio of your silver sea bright. 2 hens, 1 rooster. Bit of it on the edge, you buy it time 3 now. Get $25. $25 bid, get $15, 15, 16, now 17, 18, 19, $20, now 22, now 3, 4, now 25, 26, 27, 28, now 29, now 30, now 32 and a half, now 35, now 37 and a half, 37 and a half, 40, 40 to be in, 42 and a half, now 45, now 47 and a half, 47 and a half, get 47 and a half, 47 and a half, now $50, now 52 and a half, 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 is Lee Mark here? 52 and a half, 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 now 55. Now 57 and a half, 57 and a half, 57 and a half, 57 and a half. So the $55 times 3 on buying blue one trio. Young rooster, 2 young hen, 3 times the money, $25 bid. 25, get $25, get $26, now 27, man, 27. 27, get 27. So the $26 times 3 on 56. 2 times the money now, egg in the basket, all 2 times the money, $25 bid. 25, get 25, get $20 bid. $20 bid, 16. So the $15 times 2. 2 hens on the rooster. Bit on the end, 3 times the money, $25 bid. So the $9 times 3 on 50 times the money, $25 bid. 25, get 13. So the $12 times 4 on buy number. Bob White's there on $5 bid. 5, get $4. Hold on a minute, get $4, get $3, get 3, now half, now 4. 4 now 4 half, 4 now 5 and a half, now 6. $6 bid, now 6 and a half, 6 and a half, 7. $7 being, now $7.5. $7.5 being outside, $8 got a bit of it, give $8 got a bit of it, give $8, now $8.5. You understand that's time 20. $8.5, $8.5, $8.5, now $9 got a bit of it, get $9, did it, $9, $10. $10 bit 10, they got a bit of it, get 10, did it, 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 10. So the 9.5 times 20 on buy number 7013 in these, okay? Pick them as long as you like. Bit of it on the end, time to count. Getting out of it, $5 bid, getting out of it, $5 bid. I'm going to get $4 and but I'm going to get $4 and but I'm going to get $4 and but I'm going to get $4.5. So the $4 and a quarter. Coming up, there are 3 hens and 1 rooster in there. Eggs in the basket, 4 times the money, $20 bid. $100 bid, getting out of it, I'm going to get $20 bid, I'm going to get $14. Anybody get 14? So the $13 times 4 on buy number. There you black giants. You can have 2, 4, 6, and your black giant. $15, $5, number 59. Two silky, 2 times the money, 12 and get $12 get 19, $19, $19, $20, $21, $21, $21. So the $20 times 2 on 41, 41. Texas A&M, brother for the meat. The front row is always selling, okay? The front row, and they're all does, okay? Bit on it, you're buying one. $15, got $8. $15, $13, got $13. So the $12. Come get all you want. These are only $2 of the Texas A&M, okay? Bit on it, you're buying one. $15. $15, 11 to be 12. 12, 13, 14, 14, 14. $14, $14. So the $13, number 50 is going to be your mini Rex buck. On the buck rabbit, video on him, $15, $3, $3. So the $2, number 103. Blue-eyed lion head doe. 2 times the money, $25 on in, $25 being, getting out of $25, 25, get 25, get $20, get $8, get a little dose now, $8, get $8, get $8. So the $7 times 2 on 101. Line 1 gobbler, $20 on in, $40 in, getting out of $40 being, $40 being, $40, getting out of $23, $23, get $23. So the $22, you want them all. New Zealand meat rabbits, okay? A buck and a doe, New Zealand, 2 times the money, $15. $15, $18, give $18. So $17 times 2 on buy number 9. Holland Lock Trio. 2 does and 1 buck in there. 3 times the money. $20 being, gonna get out of it, get 20, get $15. $15 being, $1, 21 to get up, get 21, I got to get 21. So the $20 times 3 on my number 9. Mini Rex does. 2 times the money on the does. $15 to get 20. $20 being, $20, $11. So the $10 times 2 on my number 10. Get 6 times the money on the young guinea. $10 being. $10 bet 10. Get 7.5. So the $7 times 6 on my number 79. It's gonna be the turkeys now. Straight run they are. 6 times the money. 5 times the money. I'm sorry. 5 times the money. $10 bet 10. Get 6. So with $5 times 5 on my number 1 ducklings. Gonna be 5 or 10 times the money. $10 being, get $10 being, get $3, get 3.5. So the $3 number 108 right here. $15, get $15, $15, $4. So the $3 number 86. Young Leghorns, 5 times the money, $10 being, $10 being. $10 bet 10, gotta get 2, get 2, get 2, so the $2 times 5 on 81. Go sell your choice, okay? On the peacock. $250, gotta get $250. That church $90, they're gonna be about $90. I ain't too proud of it, but I got you $85. Oh, hen, game hen. Bit of it on her, $25 bean. Get 25. Get 25. 25 now, $17. Get 17. Get 17. $17 bean. Something get 17. So the $16 number 108. 108 going to be a half mug, a quarter of white kelso, and a quarter of pumpkin hen. Bit of it on her, $25 bean. Get 25. $14. Get 14. So 13 Mexican snowflake, quail. Get 2 times the money, $10 bean. Get $10 bean. $10 bean. $10 bean. $12 bean. $12 bean. Get 12. So $11 times 2 on 74. Easter egg or hen, bit of it on her, $25 bean. $25 bean. Get 11. Now 12, now 13, 14, 15, 15, sir, 15, 16, 17, $17. Now 18, $18, gonna give 18. So the $17 in that buys on button quail. And they ain't gonna get much bigger, if any. 6 times the money, bit of it on here, $5 beat. 5, 8, give $8.5. So that $8 times 6 on 94. Got a pair of ducks, a drake and a hen in each one of them. 2 times the money or 4 times the money, get $15. $15 bean, but again, I got $13, get 13. So the $12, number 63. 3 times the money, bit of it on in, get $45. 45, but get $16, get 16. So the $15 times 3 on 94 then. $50 bean, but again, I got $50, get 60. Get 60. 60, get 60. So the $55, that's 64, right? You can have 2, 4, or 6. They'll chop. $15, get $15, get $15, so the $14, number 10. You're talking about a picture perfect quad of your silver lace Wyandotte, egg in the basket and all. Bit of it on it, 4 times the money, $25 beat. 25, get $26, get 26. So the $25 times 4 on 54. 54. These are your Bud Brahma hens. 2 hens, 2 times the money. $20 bean. Get $20, get 15. 26, man. And 27. $27. $27 bean. Get 27. So the $26 times 2 on 50. Have 7, 8, or 7. Okay. Pearl Guineas. Bit of it on the end, $10 bean. Get $10, $10, $6, $9, get $6, $6.5. So it's $6, number. That's what they are. Get $20 bean. $20 bean, $20, get $13, get 13. So the $12, wants them all on in, give $8. Now, we're going to get $13, get 13. So the $12 times 4 on 55. I have some money. That's an all black chicken, black tongue, and everything, okay?
Time out. Right here, time out. That is not a Somali. And the auctioneer, if you listen to him, he's saying, hey guys, it's all black chicken, all the meat's black, the beak's black, the comb's black, the feathers are black. I mean, he's saying everything should be black. And you can't tell really on the video, but this one that I'm showing you had a red comb. I mean, but this guy's trying to pass it off as a Somali. Hey, they do them. But that's really what gets me going is these folks that don't raise them, they just try to get them, and they don't know what they have. And there was actually another one that was trying to be sold as Somali, and had all kind of white feathers on it. I'm gonna show you one that we've got. I'll show you later on. But yeah, just kind of burned my biscuits a little bit, you know, but it is what it is. All right, let's carry on. And I'm going to show you, we've got a couple Somalis here. Here is one that is not a true Somali. See the white? Now, if I was to sell this chicken here, it would be sold as a Somali mix, okay? Because it's not a true. Not true. See all the white? Now, if I ease over here and I can show you that there is one over here. Oh, there she is. Now, she is pure. She's pure as you can get.
Right here, a hen and a rooster. $2 the money, $25. 25, get 25, so $21 times 2 on buy number 2. There's 20 of them, California whites. Do your homework here. $5 each. 5, so the dollar bill times 20 on buy number 50. On the male pot belly pig, I like that color on him. $50 on him, I'm gonna get $50 in, gonna get $50 in, $50 in, get 30, now 35, now 40, 40 be $40 in, 40, gotta get $40, get $40, get 40. So the $35 number. Hey, on a pair of chickens right here. $50 on him, $2 the money, 12 of that. 12 gotta. Folks, I know it's getting late. You can't raise them for that. There's a little hen in there. They're picture perfect. Somebody give me $5 a piece. $5 in. Get $5. Get $3. $3 in. $3 get $3. Get $3. Get $3 to $4. $4 in. $4 get $4. So the $3 times 2 on 58.
All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that little video. So we brought home, what did we get? Oh yeah, we brought home some pheasants. We may have paid a little much for them. It is what it is. Guys, we got some bob whites, so we're excited to kind of get, we've had bob whites before, but we really want to get more into them and actually raise them ourselves, you know, etc. So things I've noticed at the sale, rabbits. So I'm seeing a trend to where meat rabbits are bringing more than your exotics, or, you know, the mini rex or the Holland lops or whatever they are. So anything to do with that you can harvest yourself, that's where the money's at. Same thing with these chickens. I see more of this dual breed are bringing in more, or dual purpose. Dual purpose is bringing in more than some of these rare breeds. And I think it's got to do with a lot with the economy and what's going on in our country today, and a lot of uncertainties. So, any attaboys, criticisms, comments, leave in that comment section. Let's talk about it. Let's see if maybe another state, whatever your auction is bringing, put in the comment section. Let's talk about it. I'd be curious to see what other states are bringing in. As always, we appreciate you watching.